In this episode, we take the Corolla drifting for the first time.
Stop it. We're not saying that on camera.
Now, I don't know how to drift. I have no ego in this department. Yes, I own an AE86 Corolla. Yes, I'm 42 years old, and yes, I should know how to drift by now. But surprisingly, I don't. And so we're going to take this bad boy to Spirit Peaks Raceway, and we're going to meet up with some friends for an open drift day they have all day. This is not going to make it on the main track. I don't want to assume I know how to go run with the big boys. I also don't want to get doored by some salvage title Mustang. So we're just going to take this on the skid pad and see if we can link some turns or even do some donuts. We just picked up a pair of drift spares last night. And you're probably thinking, oh, drift spares, Celica Super wheels, maybe some Steelies. No, baby. Hoshino Impulse. Those are going to go in the rear. They're on some Federal all seasons. I'm going to pump these up to about 45, maybe 50 PSI. We'll throw them on the rear when we get to the track. After we pass tech inspection, I want to make sure we pass that first before I do any of this work. But now let's load up the car and see if we can get to Spirit Peaks. We're all loaded up. Corolla's behind us on the U-Haul trailer. It barely fit. We're actually running late, but what's new? I hope we can catch the Spirit Peaks drivers meeting. It says the driver meeting is at 10:50 a.m. and our ETA without any stops, fingers crossed, is 10:55 and rising. So I really hope we can take this on the skid pad. I mean, I thrashed to get it ready for the last 2 days, but if not, hey, we'll just jump in with a bunch of friends and go drifting with them. So hooray for us. In order for me to get pro tips on driving this Corolla, I have to call Colin Frost because he's an ex-Formula D driver, Corolla guru, and I don't know fucking shit.
What you really want to do is kind of give it a 30% to a 60%. Gentle massaging one way to the other.
Nice.
Colin, give me 3 things I need to know to drift a Corolla today.
Okay, big momentum in every direction.
Big momentum.
Don't scrunch speed, so that means like you try and be this big angle hero.
Don't be an angle hero.
Yeah. Keep your foot down and hit clutch kicks when it's, so if it starts the box, just kick that thing on the left.
Keep the foot down and clutch kick.
Yep.
All right.
Clutch kick. Every clutch kick time.
Clutch kick. Oh, you hear that, baby? Clutch kick.
I don't know what the heck that means.
Emily doesn't know what it means, but I do, so that's good enough. You made it! Packed house. I hope we're not too late. They're already drifting. We missed the driver's meeting, and fuck it. I hope they allow us to go on the skid pad.
I'm very excited. I hear all the noises already. That's not a noise. That's not a drift noise.
Those are great noises. We made it to Spirit Peaks, and boy, oh boy, is today packed full of amazing cars. We got this 6Z with a crazy angle kit. We got all sorts of cars here. So I'm gonna drive over to Tech right now, see if we can get the car all passed, and then hopefully you'll see us on the skid pad next. All right, we just passed Tech. Bing bong. Emily on the other side of the camera. Hi. Emily's gonna go for a ride in Tristan's car.
Buckle it up top.
I'm sorry if I scream in your ear.
It's okay.
Emily already went out with Tristan and he knows how to drift, but I don't know how to drift, and sadly we couldn't find a helmet in time for Emily, so she doesn't get to ride with me. So just imagine her here. I'm gonna go out and see if I can actually drift this thing. I don't know what I'm doing. Colin gave me those 3 pointers, and guess what? I forgot them all already. So
we're gonna head out and see what we can do on that skid pad.
Top, way to mud on it. Seen it from the top, way to mud on it. Seen it from the top, way to mud on it. Seen it from the top, way to mud on it. Seen it.
Things I gotta focus on: catching the drift earlier, and then feathering it with a throttle. And then secondly, like predicting what the car is gonna do. Like I just learned on that one. We're gonna go to the skid pad one more time. We found a helmet for Emily.
Thanks, Vyvy.
Thanks, Vyvy. We're gonna try. If we're gonna call it, just go and clutch kick. Obviously we don't know what we're doing in terms of drifting, but we're gonna take a pit walk and show you guys some cool cars while everyone's on a lunch break here. This S13 is incredible. I love seeing a brown S chassis, Type X tail lights. So sick. Oh my god. Inside's amazing. Dope car. Good wheels, good stance, good kit. So rad. We got a yellow FD here. So stoked to see FDs drifting. I mean, to see one alive is a big deal, but to see one drifting at a drift day is fucking sick. Obviously they came as a team, they have a ton of spares, maybe they can even swap rears, but that is so clean. Of course we're gonna lean towards the Corollas and the Toyotas because that's what we like. It looks like it's beam swapped, and ITBs, Panic ITBs, sounds amazing. So sick. This thing has been murking the skid pad all day. Super sick Celica. Rad little car here.
It's a lot of money to not have that much power, but
Look at that bead locks on the rear.
it's so I don't have to go to the tire guy.
So I don't have to go to the tire guy. Bead locks in the rear. That's amazing. All right, you just saw that sick Celica, and there are a pair of Corollas that have been tandeming all day here that are just so sick. Part of the Meal Team guys. Meal Team is pretty much like the team out here in Washington, Oregon area, and they just shred. Last time for 886 Day, we got to ride with some of them up here. My buddy Tim Tam, shout out to you. Shirts tucked in seat. So rad. Beams powered?
I give it the secret knock.
Oh yeah. You guys have been shredding all day.
Yeah. But now I have LSD, Z-Grace knuckles, and then boxed 4-link, if you know what that means.
No way!
Yeah,
Wow.
so the car actually
Did you build it yourself?
drives like a real car. No, I have a friend who does my
Shit.
welding. But
Dude, you shattered like some of the most expensive taillights in the world.
that wasn't today, that was at Medford. Yeah, that was at the Panic event from a plastic barrier.
The most recent one?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yeah, it was a GP, but it's okay. That's what they're for.
If you ever want to see what a Corolla can actually do to tires, yeah, a Corolla can actually smoke them all the way through. That is insane. We got to meet some of the cool Corolla nerds out here And those cars are actually super impressive. I'm gonna show you guys Tristan's 240SX. This is the car that Emily just rode in with Tristan. Dual cam, 240SX, and Tristan just takes this thing and keeps up with just about everybody. His 240 has an angle kit and an exhaust, and that's about it. Intake and exhaust, and that's about it. He's just really good at driving. I've never really chased anyone before, so I'm just gonna have to like be on my A game following him. I'm not gonna be super tight. Of course, this is a wide angle lens, but what we'll do is on the shots that I'm not tight enough, I'll just zoom in and post. But it's sick because we could use the 360 and we can kind of see what's going on all around the track. You guys are tired of watching me just fumble all the time, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna teach Emily how to drive a stick and the Corolla, and maybe if she gets good enough at driving a stick, take her to skid pad. Let's just see where the engagement point of the clutch is. Put it in gear. Okay. Slowly see where it starts to engage, just so you remember it. Okay, you know where it is now, right? So all the way down there's nothing, but right when that spot is where it's really gonna matter. So when you get to that spot, that's when you start to give it gas, okay? Get to that spot. Yeah. And then as the car starts to slowly move forward, give it gas. Give it gas. You didn't give it gas.
Oh no!
It's all right. We're moving now. Look at us. You can cruise around. Yeah, good job. You're driving the Corolla for the first time. This is a yeah. Look at you driving the Corolla. Look at you go. Now when you stop, you have to put in the clutch, okay? But we'll talk about that when we get there. You can still just drive around at this speed. That's fine. Wow.
I'm driving.
You're driving the Corolla. Yeah, we're recording. That's it for this episode. We taught Emily how to drive a stick. We went to the skid pad. We chased Tristan in his 240SX, which is freaking sick. We met a bunch of Corolla nerds, meal team, JSP fam, fun day. We met some new friends with a 6Z. We're gonna head home. Maybe we'll walk the dogs, get some food and drinks. But today was awesome.
So fun.